Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to make Turkish Paratha roll, but first, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon and share my video.